Magandang araw mga bata! Ang ating tatalakayin ngayon ay pronouns. Ngunit, ano nga ba muna ang pronouns? Pag sinabi nating pronouns, it takes the place of nouns or pinapalitan nito ang ngalan ng mga pangalan. Una, mayroon tayong pronoun na I. I is a pronoun for the person who is speaking. Gagamitin natin ang pronoun na I kung papalitan natin ang pangalan ng taong mismong nagsasalita. Halimbawa, I am beautiful. Next naman ay you. You is a pronoun for the person spoken to. Gagamitin naman natin ang pronoun na you para palitan ang pangalan ng kausap natin. You are handsome. Sinasabi ko sa kausap ko na siya ay gwapo. He is a pronoun for a boy or a male person. Kung papalitan naman natin ang ngalan ng isang lalaki, gagamitin natin ang salitang he. Example, Peter is a good son. Since si Peter ay lalaki, pwede nating palitan ang Peter at gagawin natin itong he. So, Peter is a good son ay magiging he is a good son. Another example, Mr. Reyes is a teacher. Diba pag sinabi natin Mr., ibig sabihin lalaki siya. Kaya yung Mr. Reyes ay papalitan natin ng pronoun na he. Kaya siya ay magiging he is a teacher. She is a pronoun for a girl or a female person. Gagamitin naman natin ang pronoun na she kung gusto nating palitan ang pangalan ng isang babae. For example, Elsa is the Queen of Arendelle. Since Elsa ay babae, papalitan natin siya ng she at magiging she is the Queen of Arendelle. Another example, Princess Anna is living in the castle. Si Princess Anna ay babae, kaya papalitan natin siya ng she. Magiging, she is living in the castle. We, kailan naman natin ito ginagamit? We is a pronoun for the person speaking and other persons with him or her. Kapag sinabi natin na we, kasama ka at may kasama ka pa. Okay? Ito yung example. My friends and I will donate goods to the victims of the flood. As you can see, kasama ka dito tapos may kasama ka pang iba. Kaya pwede mo siyang palitan ng pronoun na we at ito ay magiging we will donate goods to the victims of the flood. They. It is a pronoun for two or more persons, animals, plants, objects, places, or events. Kung kanina sa we, ikaw ay kasama, dito naman sa they, you are not belong or hindi ka nakasama. Example, Melinda and Christina are studying for the quiz. As you can see, hindi ka nakasama dito kaya papalitan na natin siya ng they. Ito ay magiging they are studying for the quiz. Lastly, it. It is a pronoun for an animal, plant, or object only. For example, the cat is on the mat. Since cat siya ay isang animal, we are not sure kung ano yung kanyang gender, kaya gagamitin natin ang pronoun na it. It will become it is on the mat. Mahalaga si pronoun dahil napapaigsi nito yung mga sentences and also nagagawa rin ni pronoun na i-avoid yung pagkakapaulit-ulit ng noun sa isang sentence. I hope may natutunan ka about pronoun. salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.